might need to come up a hair. Y'all just
she's my baby. Don't mean maybe. She's my baby. Don't mean maybe. She's the girl in the red blue jeans. She's the one with all the teeth. She's the one who walks around the floor. She's the one that yells more, 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 more. She's my baby. Don't mean maybe. She's my baby doll, my baby doll, my baby doll. Let's rock. Somebody else take a leg over vocals. Okay, good. So, Michelle, do you have all our voices where they need to be? Okay, what do you need?
Well, your vocals are not going to come through the stage monitors because we've got you dialed in through that same guitar. So if I turn your guitar, I'm just going to blast them out with guitar.
Okay.
That's the best we're going to do.
That's okay. Mine are fine as far as hearing it, but I want to make sure that they're up where they need to be.
I can hear them just fine, but that's because I'm...
yeah, that's because we're right here. Right here.
Well, you guys have an extra monitor down there too.
Yes, right there.
As long as I hear the guitar, I'm
Justin,
fine.
give me a little guitar.
Me too, right?
Is that better in that monitor, John?
Me? Yeah. If the guitar's not coming through, there,